Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, coming to you live from Mandalay Bay Convention Center in Las Vegas for the National Electrical Contractors Association Convention. Come on, let's see what's going on. Okay, this is Tim from Milwaukee, and he's going to be showing us Packout modular storage systems.
Awesome. Well, hey, we're excited to show you our brand new modular storage system. We first launched Packout about 18 months ago, and it was comprised of a base cart and some components that went on top of it. Today we're excited to show some new products. So with the standard base, we have our base unit, which has really been the hero SKU of the system, where you've got these large 9-inch wheels on the back, help you roll over job site materials. They also extend past the back of the unit, so you can actually roll this upstairs versus dragging your stack up a flight of stairs. So that's been really well received. Up top here on the top of the Packout stack, you can see our brand new M18 Packout radio charger. This is completely Packout compliant, where it's got the mounting plate on the bottom here, so this can just snap in to your Packout system. The great thing is it's also a battery charger, runs off our battery system here with some USB ports on the side and a weatherproof system on the side. It also pairs via Bluetooth through your smartphone if you want to listen to some music that way. And best-in-class speaker system in the Packout radio charger here. We have 3 exciting new SKUs for the Packout range. The first I'll talk about was probably the most requested of the system when we launched it, and that is our 4-wheel dolly. The 4-wheel dolly is extremely robust. It'll hold up to 250 pounds. It's got metal casters built into it, but we also did something that users were asking for, is when they're trying to disassemble their Packout from a mounting plate, it wants to move around on them. So we've patented this foot brake, so you can step on this foot brake and you can lock in your Packout system without the unit moving around on you. Like I said, it can hold up to 250 pounds, so even putting things like water heaters on it and moving them around basement, for example, is very possible with this system. The other product I'd like to show you is our new Packout crate. This was another tool, another storage product that was requested quite often to fit larger tools to move around a job site. So similarly, it'll click in to any Packout compliant product. But the exciting thing that we've done is actually build Packout mounting plate adapters on the top of our crate. So with other competitive products like this, once you put the crate on top, you can't stack any higher. With the Milwaukee system, you can actually put Packout right on top of the crate and continue stacking on top of that for more accessibility, more versatility when you're putting your Packout system together.
Excellent.
The last new product I'll show you, excited to announce, won the NECA Showstopper Award, and that is our Packout mounting plate. So as people started realizing the versatility of Packout, questions started to come up. Hey, if I have a tool crib or my garage, if I want to store Packout on a wall versus on a vertical stack, how could we do that? And we've got 2 different options here. So you can mount this on a wall. You can see it'll fit 16 on center is where the holes were designed for. And we've also put metal reinforcement throughout the Packout system, so it can hold a tremendous amount of weight. The beautiful thing here is if you want to save room on your floor and you want to store Packout on a wall, you can just clip it in like you do with any other Packout system. And Milwaukee does have the system where you can fit multiple different widths on the same type of format here, because we have the Packout cleats throughout. So we got a lot of requests as well. If you're going to mount Packout to, if you think about a shelf in a Sprinter van or the back of a van or a truck, pickup truck, or even mount it to the floor of a service van, you've got the ability to mount Packout, obviously screw it straight down on the floor of a pickup truck or in the back of a transit van. So same type of system here. You can just undo your Packout system, you can clip it back in. If you think about driving around a city or around a job site, the ability to clip your storage system into this mounting plate makes it really valuable. Keeps your products from sliding around the back of the van. You know exactly where to go and grab them once you need them. So anything from the full width size Packout all the way down to the compact size, or even our totes and our bags will clip into this mounting plate. So the mounting plate, the dolly, and the crate will all be coming in the late October time frame.
What kind of price ranges are we looking at for these?
So the price range you're going to find on the mounting plates depends on the retailer, obviously, but anywhere around $29 would be expected.
Okay.
Similarly with the crate, and then the dolly, a little bit more expensive than that with all the reinforced wheels. That one will retail for around $60.
Okay, and you can just buy whatever you want, make whatever kind of Packout you need.
Yeah, in fact, if you go to MilwaukeeTool.com, there's a great microsite where you can click and drag on Packout, and you can actually build your own Packout stack online. So you can build it up from the ground up, hit a button, and you can print out every part number that you've just assembled. It's a great tool to mix and match Packout and show all the different styles and all the versatility of the different products that you can put together.
Okay, thank you, Tim.
All right, you're welcome. Thank you, guys.
I'll put links in my video description for the Milwaukee Packout Rolling Toolbox, the Milwaukee Packout Small Parts Organizer, the Milwaukee Electric Tool Packout, and the Milwaukee Packout Dolly. Also, I'll put links for the M18 Packout Radio Charger and the Packout Crate. Thanks! I hope this video was helpful.
Driving down.
Thanks for watching.
So those contractors can help meet their 1025.